video, we will see how we can download and install Primavera P6. So we need to go to edelivery.oracle.com. Here we need to sign in or create an account. And now you can search for what you want to download. For example, Primavera P6. So let's see Primavera P6, or I will type Primavera P6. Okay, now there are several versions. We are looking for Primavera P6 Professional project. The other one is installing the enterprise part, which has additional reports. So but those reports are more advanced. So we'll install the basic P6 Professional. Okay, and the latest version is Primavera P6 23.12. Continue, and further we will download it. Now the platform is for Windows. Continue. Of course, you need to agree with Oracle conditions. Download page, we will deselect everything and choose Primavera P6 Professional Apps, 171 mega, download. We will run the file to downloads. This will download the necessary files, and as soon as this is downloaded, we will be able to proceed with the installation. Everything is downloaded. We'll open the files. Let's extract them. And here we have the P6, the latest version. Let's extract as well the next one. And we can go and launch the install. Now we will do a typical installation. I have already a Primavera P6 version available, so this will replace the existing version. It will do an upgrade. On the database configuration. This will be the PMDB. Add the connection to an existing, add a new standalone database. So we'll have a new standalone. This will be a SQLite database. Admin user, add user, next, SQLite, save. So now it's telling me that database already exists. Yes, I will overwrite it, save successfully. So now everything is okay. I could test it. Connection is successfully. Back. Now I can close this and let's see if Primavera was properly installed. I have the P23 version. Admin user. Connect. And that's it. Primavera is installed and it's working. And we have also a database with multiple projects that are coming together with the installation. So let's open project. Everything works perfectly. Great.